Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the JavaScript shorthand coding techniques part 3. We are good to know about the for loop shorthand. So whenever for loop is the basic JavaScript for looping the arrays. So basically how to shorthand this code, right? So by default the for loop is like using this one, let I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Instead of writing this line, okay, so we have a shorthand method to use that is called the off loop, right? So you can use the off to get the number. You can see that if let's try both of the things. So here we have the numbers 1 to 5. Let's copy and log this one in our terminal. Okay, 1 to 5, right? And if I want to enter this one, let number. Okay, so for let number, you can see that this is the long line of code, and you can see that this is pretty much easier, and you can see that the less lines of code, right? So if I go and just copy this one, the same output is there, right? So if you want to print the index also, you can also print the index using the index over here. So if I go and just add the index, right? So it will here I will just go with the another thing, that is apple and the grapes, sorry, grapes and orange. Okay, so here we have the fruits, right? So here I'm just adding the fruits over here, and here I want the index. So let's check index. So let's copy and use this. Let's print the index part. Okay, so here you can see that apple, grapes and the orange you will get into, right? So this how you are also getting. If you want to get the, if you want to just want to assess the index, you can also do the in. So here you get, if you want, this is basically off for getting all the data, right? If you want to index, you need to put it over a in, right? So this is off, and if you want to get the index, you need to just add over here in, right? So in over here, and the fruits, I think it will give you the error again for the redeclaration. So I will add it into a s1 and let's enter it. See, you will get the index. If you want the index, you will get the index. If you want the parameters, then you can use the off one. So these two things for the loop shorthand, that is off and the in. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. I will recap all the of the things, right? Okay, so basically this is the for loop that we are initially always using that one. To shorthand this one, we can use the new ECMA 6, JavaScript, that is you can use of off and in. Off to get iterate over the arrays, and in if you want to get the index, you can use that one. So there is another one, that is, just copy this, I will just write it over here, that is in. You want to get the index, right? So this is how we are able to shorten the code of the for loop. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.